Quick market update. So we get the melt up and we actually hit the very top of the parallel line one more time. I think this might signal a triangle pattern. So A, B, C, D, E. What happens after the E wave? It goes straight down. We also hit the 20-day moving average on the daily. Potentially we come up here all the way to the 50-day moving average, but I bought some puts at 386.40-ish, and I just added to my position. And I will look for a first wave down. If we don't get it, I'm just going to wait from this point in case it keeps on melting up. I'll wait for a move down, buy the retrace, stop above the high, and then hopefully we get this move down. So huge move. The news wasn't positive, but it doesn't matter. You just got to follow the price action. So that's what I'm looking for on SPY. On Tesla, I was a little bit off on this one, but I saw pre-market down here at 102, and I went through the waves. That was definitely a fifth wave. And so I took off all my hedges except for one. I have one put, one contract, and I'm just going to let my sold puts go for a while. I did sell a covered call recently, but I'm looking for a move that could potentially come up here to 125. If that's the case, then we're probably looking at SPY to go a little bit higher. This looks like a 5-wave move to me. So I think it can keep on going, and who knows, maybe it'll go all the way to the 0.38 fib. That would be pretty high though. That would be at 140. But again, on this, I'm not going to guess where the top is. You got to wait for it to show you the top. So I'll be looking for a top, down, buy the retrace, hopefully hit the third wave. We'll wait on that, looking for 125 to 135. So, I mean, SPY right now just sitting around. I mean, I'll look at it on lower time frames later. Today is probably just going to be pretty bouncy. I don't expect like another retrace down to lower lows or anything like that. But you never know. So, the last thing I'll go over is just QQQ. I think that QQQ can go, if it would ever load. Try it on this one. QQQ, alright, I don't know why it's not loading. But I think that QQQ can go all the way to like 270 maybe. Just based on this pattern right here. I think 270 and potentially right here into this supply zone. We have supply zone at 271 to 275. So somewhere in there is possible. That would probably mean that SPY can melt up all the way up to like 389, 390 potentially. If we go on the lower time frames, you'll see that 5-wave move 1, 2, 3, 4. But looking at it now, I think it more than likely topped out right here because this came all the way down here. Could be a second wave or the fifth wave, but we'll see. Also hit the top of the parallel line. But I want confirmation that this is the first wave so I can buy the second wave pullback. So quick video, but just going to give you my thoughts. Look for either the 50-day moving average or we already topped here when we hit the 20-day moving average. Talked about in past videos, normally we hit that first before we sold off for big sell-offs. So who knows, the big sell-off could be coming here in the next couple of days. I'll leave it at that. Let me know what you think, and I'll get you an update after the market closes.